Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you have a Wi-Fi problem, no internet connection on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first you just open the settings and just try to find here Wi-Fi, just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try also to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another option you can try, just open the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to update your iPhone, so just go to the general, just find here software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.